Hey guys, my name is Wakefield and welcome back to a brand new video, and today we are reviewing another product by Hornby. This time it's a railroad product. Here it is. It's quite large. There you go. A triple pack of LMS wagons, which is nice. This is going to be the first time I've opened this. The Toad down here, I've opened the Toad before when I reviewed it before, but this is the first time I'm ever going to open this, so here we go, the first ever time. I'm not even doing it off camera, that's how first time I am. Just do this. Oh wait, I have opened it before. Yeah, I forgot about the cardboard insert at the back. See that this is a cardboard insert, and there's nothing inside. And I like that. I've got a triple pack of LMS wagons, or Northeastern wagons if you really want to call them that. But this is the first time I've ever had a cardboard packaging. This is the bit I've not opened yet. I've not even explored the models. I know what they're going to feel like, but you know, it's always exciting, isn't it? Let's get the tape off. Ugh, come on, you. There you go. And open sesame. There you go. Right, you get a little bag with these things in, you can unwrap them, and I'm going to throw mine in the bin. So this is it, an LMS wagon. It's a bog standard wagon with large capital letters L, M and S on it. It really does add to the detail. Let's just get another one out. This one is car number 2463. Now I've got car 2462. Couple them together, you get me a train. Nice. Okay. Of course, being railroad models, the buffers aren't sprung, and they're quite robust. Not as detailed as the Toad I reviewed earlier. And in fact, let's have a size comparison. The Toad brake van should be a little bit smaller in height, but of course longer in width. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, the Toad is just a fraction smaller, as you can see here. There you go, yeah, just a fraction smaller. I know you'll probably say, oh, but this doesn't look right. You're right, I'm just demonstrating. I'll put Toad away later, I don't mind. Right, let's get 2461 out. There you go. Right, let's put them in the right order. 2463, 2462, 2461. There you go. A full train of 3 wagons. Get any LMS engine to pull them and you'll be in Era 3 easily. And if you really want to add a Toad, come back here. Oh, I'll put him with myself. If you really want to add a Toad, be my guest. Let's have a look at the rest of the box. I've got as much. There's absolutely nothing on the box. Nothing at all apart from Hornby and the product code. Where's the product code? Product code, if you can see it, is R6836 LMS box van pack of 3. I've got LNR pack of 3 wagons, same as these. Very, very inexpensive. However, great fun to add to your collection. You could pretend that they're fish trains or fruit trains or general goods trains. You can mix and match with open wagons. So there you go. I should hopefully have a model railway layout set up soon, and what I might want to do is, if I can think about what design I want, I'll make sure to keep you guys updated. Really indeed. Right, thank you very much for watching. That is indeed it. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you later.